Imagine a world where machines do almost everything for you. Farming, cutting, lifting, even making decisions, all done without human effort. Well, this is not the future anymore, this is 2026. In this video, you are about to see some of the most advanced machines in the world. Machines that can finish hours of hard work in just a few seconds. And trust me, some of these machines are so powerful, you won't believe they actually exist. So sit back, relax, and let's start part 1 of the most insane machines you will see today. Number 1. Fully Autonomous Farming System. This is the most advanced farming system in 2026, where multiple machines work together without human control. This system combines artificial intelligence, GPs, sensors, and robotics to manage the entire farming process from start to finish. It begins with autonomous tractors that prepare the soil with perfect precision. Then drones fly above the field to plant seeds in exact locations, ensuring maximum efficiency. Smart irrigation systems automatically detect dry areas and supply water only where needed. As crops grow, AI-powered robots monitor plant health and remove weeds without damaging the crops. Finally, autonomous harvesters collect the crops and store them without human help. This complete automation reduces labor costs, saves time, and increases production. It is not just a machine, but a full ecosystem that is transforming agriculture into a smart and highly efficient industry. Number 2. AI Farming Robot. The AI Farming Robot is one of the most powerful innovations in modern agriculture. This robot is designed to perform multiple tasks, such as planting, monitoring, and harvesting crops with high precision. It uses advanced cameras and machine learning algorithms to analyze plant growth and detect diseases at an early stage. Unlike traditional farming methods, this robot works continuously without getting tired and maintains consistent performance throughout the day and night. It can move across fields using smart navigation systems and avoid obstacles automatically. Farmers can control and monitor the robot remotely using a mobile app or computer. This reduces the need for large labor forces and minimizes human error. The AI farming robot is especially useful for large-scale farms where manual work is difficult and time-consuming, making farming faster, smarter, and more productive. Number 3. Smart Fertilizer Spreader. The Smart Fertilizer Spreader is designed to improve crop growth while reducing waste. Traditional methods often result in uneven distribution of fertilizer, which can harm crops and increase costs. This machine solves that problem by using sensors and GPS technology to spread fertilizer evenly across the field. It analyzes soil data in real time and adjusts the amount of fertilizer based on the needs of different areas. This ensures that each part of the field receives the right nutrients. The machine also reduces environmental damage by preventing overuse of chemicals. It can cover large areas quickly and operate with high accuracy, making it ideal for modern farming. Farmers can program it in advance, and it will complete the task automatically. This not only saves time, but also improves crop quality and overall yield significantly. Number 4. Crop Sorting Machine. The crop sorting machine is a highly efficient system used after harvesting. It is designed to clean, sort, and separate crops based on size, quality, and type. Using advanced sensors and imaging technology, the machine can detect even small differences in crops and classify them accurately. It removes dirt, damaged pieces, and unwanted materials, ensuring that only high-quality produce moves forward. This process is much faster and more reliable than manual sorting. The machine is widely used in large agricultural industries and food processing plants. It helps maintain quality standards and reduces human effort. By automating this process, farmers and businesses can save time and increase productivity. The crop sorting machine plays a crucial role in preparing food products for the market efficiently and hygienically. Number 5. Automatic Canal Cleaning Machine. This machine is specially designed to clean water canals and irrigation systems. Over time, canals get filled with mud, grass, and waste, which blocks the flow of water. This machine removes all unwanted materials quickly and efficiently. It uses strong rotating blades and conveyor systems to collect debris and move it out of the canal. By keeping canals clean, it ensures a smooth flow of water to farms, which is essential for healthy crops. The machine can work continuously for long hours and cover large areas without stopping. It reduces the need for manual labor and speeds up the cleaning process. This is especially important in regions where agriculture depends heavily on irrigation systems. The automatic canal cleaning machine helps maintain water systems and supports better farming practices. Number 6. Land Clearing Mulcher. The land clearing mulcher is a powerful machine used to clear forests, bushes, and unwanted vegetation. It is equipped with heavy-duty rotating blades that can cut through thick plants and small trees easily. Instead of removing the debris, the machine turns it into mulch, which can be used to improve soil quality. This makes the process efficient and environmentally friendly. The mulcher can operate on rough and uneven terrain, making it suitable for large-scale land development projects. It is commonly used before starting new farming or construction work. By clearing land quickly, it saves time and reduces labor costs. This machine is an important tool for transforming unused land into productive areas, making it highly valuable in modern agriculture and development projects. Number 7. Fruit Collecting Machine. Collecting fruits from the ground is usually a slow and labor-intensive task. This machine makes the process fast and efficient. It uses rotating brushes to gently move fruits toward the collection system without damaging them. The fruits are then lifted using an elevator mechanism and stored in containers. This ensures that the fruits remain fresh and undamaged during collection. The machine can cover large areas in a short time, making it ideal for orchards and farms. It reduces the need for manual labor and increases productivity. Farmers can use this machine to collect fallen fruits quickly before they spoil. It is especially useful for crops like apples, oranges, and nuts. The fruit collecting machine improves efficiency and helps farmers save time and effort. Number 8. Smart Sugarcane Harvester. The Smart Sugarcane Harvester is designed to handle the entire harvesting process efficiently. It first removes unwanted leaves and cleans the sugarcane. Then it cuts the cane into smaller pieces and transfers them into a storage container. All these steps are performed in one continuous process, saving time and effort. The machine is equipped with advanced sensors that help it move smoothly through the field and avoid obstacles. It works much faster than manual labor and ensures consistent results. Farmers can harvest large fields in a short time using this machine. It also reduces waste and improves the overall quality of the harvested crop. The Smart Sugarcane Harvester is a perfect example of how technology is making farming more efficient and less labor-intensive. Number 9. Industrial Wood Crusher. The Industrial Wood Crusher is a heavy-duty machine used for breaking down wood into small pieces or powder. It can process large logs, branches, and wooden waste quickly and efficiently. The machine uses powerful blades and high-speed rotation to crush wood into fine material. This material is then used for biomass energy, recycling, or manufacturing. The wood crusher plays an important role in reducing waste and promoting sustainable practices. It is widely used in industries that deal with wood processing and energy production. The machine operates continuously and can handle large volumes of material without slowing down. This makes it highly efficient and reliable. By converting waste into useful products, the industrial wood crusher supports eco-friendly solutions. Number 10. Banana Tree Shredder. Banana trees produce fruit only once, and after harvesting, they become useless for farming. This machine is designed to handle that problem efficiently. It cuts banana trees into small pieces within seconds. These pieces are then used as natural fertilizer for the next crop. This process not only saves time, but also reduces waste. The machine is easy to use and can process multiple trees quickly. It helps farmers clear their fields faster and prepare for the next planting cycle. By turning waste into useful material, the Banana Tree Shredder supports sustainable farming. It is an essential tool for banana farmers who need to manage large plantations efficiently. This machine improves productivity and reduces manual labor significantly.